Welcome back to the channel again. I am so happy you can join us today. I have another quick unboxing for you guys. I know you already know what it is because you can see the thumbnail. So it is something small. It is a Adidas Fear of God slide, and it comes in this very small box. I am a size 10 right there. That is my size right there. Okay, so it comes in this sleeve. This is the outer sleeve of the box. It comes in this box right here. And then if you pop this open, you see it has the main box inside of this. So I'm going to put this on the floor, which is the sleeve. And on the box, you can see it's got that Adidas Fear of God Athletics logo right there with the 3 bars right there. And then it's got Adidas on that side, Adidas Fear of God, and on the other side, Adidas Fear of God. So if you slide it open right there, you can see it has the Adidas Fear of God branding on the tissue paper that comes with it right there, which is very, very nice and premium. And you just peel it back like that. You can see in the box right there, it is wrapped up. So I'm gonna take it out of the box and I'm gonna unwrap it so you guys can see what it looks like. I can tell you, ooh, it smells really nice. Okay, so man, this is nice. This is premium. Okay, so you guys ready? 1, 2, 3. Bam! So that is it right there. You can see is the Adidas Fear of God slide right there. It comes like that with the sizing tag over there. It comes like that. It is nice and white. Woo! So I can tell you when this initially released, it was about $100. It's for me. I think the reason why it is $100 compared to the other Adidas slide, obviously, is because of the material. So if you look at this material on top right here, it's got a suede and a black leather on top. So I'm gonna get a little closer so you guys can see that. So the white part is a suede, and the black the black stripe is a black calf leather stitched onto it with the jagged edge. So on the side right here, it's got Fear of God written right there. So yeah, it's a really nice quality in terms of the top right here is not your normal Adidas slide, because normally the normal Adidas slide that comes in the same shape as this, it comes with rubber on top of it, on here, but this comes with a suede leather and a calf leather. So this is very nice, but the bottom, as far as uh, I'm concerned, or I can, as far as I can see, looks like every other Adidas bottom, but on there it just says the sizing and it's got the traction right there. So I will be doing a quick on feet for you guys so you guys can see the way it looks on feet, and maybe at a later date I could do like a styling video, to see how I style it. Yeah, so it says like I said, it says Fear of God on that side. You can see the tag right there has the sizing tag, which I wear a size 10, and it's got size 10 written right there. As for sizing recommendations, just grab your normal size. I always grab this in my normal size, which is a size 10, and it's quite comfortable for me. I like how it looks. You can see there, it's not too big and it's not too small. It's just the right size that I need. So that is it for sizing. So yeah, that is the main facts about it, and that's very short and sweet because it's just a slide. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you slap that like button. Make sure you comment in the section below and subscribe to the channel. I really, really appreciate it. All the uplands out.